You're welcome to my channel. OS Jeremiah is my name, your cryptocurrency specialist from Nigerian country. In this episode, I'm going to uncover another tangible things you need to know with the title How to Make Real Money in Bitcoin. Look at the screen very well. This is a Binance Android application. And 90% of the traders worldwide are using Binance Android application, and 98% of traders, global traders, are using phone. So look at the screen very well. Look at below home, market, trade. Let's go to the market. Search for Bitcoin slash USDT above means we wanted to view Bitcoin USDT chart as a case study in this episode. So based on the title, How to Make Real Money in Bitcoin. Look at the screen very well. This is a day candlestick, and you can see that the price closed at 67,000. No, price tested 67,000 all-time high yesterday, and it finally closed at $66,000. That means we have succeeded in breaking above $65,000 all-time high since the month of April, May, year 2021, about 5 months all-time high. And when you look at the present price, which is a 64,900, means 65,000 now acting as support because it has been in this range quiet for some hours. Look at the 1 hour chart. You can see that 65,000 now acting as support. Let's go back to a day chart or 4 hours chart. Let's see 4 hours chart. Let's view a day chart once again. Let's view 4 hours chart. Now look at the screen very well. You can now see that the last 4 hours chart now acted as a reversal candle. Means based on 90% of let's say 70% of the judgment, the price will still go up because of 65 and now very strong, quiet for a few hours, and it has been acting as a real tangible support. It doesn't allow the price to go down below $65,000. So what you are going to do is you have to be patient. Allow these markets for 1, 2, or 3 hours, maybe between 1 to 5 hours next, and allow if $65,000 will finally succeed in acting as a support. Because of when it comes to cryptocurrency, even the entire market generally, as a professional trader, you need to always think twice and consider too many factors. In the upside, if 65,000 finally succeed in acting as support, it will push the price up again, and price will retest $67,000 24 hours high. If break above 67,000, we are going to experience another history, and we may likely finally return into the bull run. But if the price succeed in breaking below $65,000 finally, we are going to experience additional dip, more correction, or a little bit dip before the price push up and rally up and retest $67,000 before it will finally return. Remember that it is a market, and we need to always think twice. But by the look of things, based on the last 4 hours candle, which is a pure reversal, price may likely go up again within a few hours and retest $7,000 and push up again, and global traders are still going to be laughing again across the cryptocurrency market. So it is as simple as that. So there is a room for you to be making real money. So if you look at 4 hours charge, you see that 65,000 now very strong, quiet for a few hours as a support. So there is no reason to be panicked, no single reason to be panicked. It is an opportunity for you to buy within this range in order to benefit the first dip for you to be making. So if you can even manage to enter at here, which is 64,500, and the price is recovered, or you have made a $2,500 profit. And if you are not holding for a long time, you can take profit. But if you are holding for a long time, there is no single reason to be panic. You just need to allow your money generating more and more profit. Allow your single or more Bitcoin generating more and more profits, and within a little long period of time, you are going to laugh among others before the bearish take off again along year 2021-22 trading circle experience. Once again, OS Jeremiah is my name, aka Mr. Jerry, your cryptocurrency specialist in Nigerian country. The most important thing now is to watch this episode again, and also remember to subscribe below in my channel so that you will gain access to my tangible, highly profitable cryptocurrency video I'm going to be posting every day. And also, you are going to see my Telegram community link, my Telegram channel link in the description below. Make sure that you subscribe for you to watch more tangible videos. I'm talking about highly profitable video for you to stay in command in cryptocurrency and blockchain technology industry, the most trending industry on the internet today. Once again, thank you so much for taking your time to have been watching everything in this episode. Watch out for another tangible, highly profitable video in this same day or within the next 24 hours. Thank you.